Telling the stories of our state by showcasing the people who grow and cherish good food here is an essential part of Iowa Ingredient. To pull it all together, we rely on talented chefs to help inspire us all to get into the kitchen and taste Iowa's flavors.
We're just kind of simmering,
Our
and
website
going.
illustrates the most up to date information on where our Iowa Ingredient chefs are cooking and working. And one of those creative chefs keeps local foods approachable
Okay,
and
so I'm
delicious
just gonna
every time
pick
she
it
visits us in our studio kitchen.
like that. That's for you. My name is Katy Meyer, and I became a chef because I was working in a kitchen when I was getting my English degree, and when I graduated, I didn't want to find another job. I wanted to keep working in a kitchen, and it panned out, luckily. I definitely have gotten amazing feedback from being on the shows over the past 5 years. It's been incredible. I've had people who have come to the restaurant because they saw the restaurant on TV. I've had people tell me that they've made the recipes that I did on the show. These pink ones are the Chioggia beets I mentioned earlier. The first episode I did was beets, and so that's a pretty polarizing ingredient. But I've had people say, oh, I tried your beet recipes, and I actually enjoyed beets for the first time, and that's just incredible. You know, a nice fresh tomato slice would be good in here too, but they're not quite ready yet, so I like to wait for my Iowa tomatoes from the earth. The way that I like to cook is to keep it simple and really focus on what's already there instead of trying to cover it up or make it all fanciful or make it super involved or have 17 ingredients that are really hard to find. So obviously I want people to come eat at my restaurant and enjoy the food, but I also want people to know how to cook at home. Food should be very straightforward. It shouldn't be difficult to figure out. Keep it simple, enjoy it. Really, that's what your body wants, is simple ingredients that are wholesome and balanced. Yeah, so that's what I try to do. Yay! Yay! Okay.